Welcome back to another video. This is your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you this human hair headband wig that I got from Amazon, y'all. If you want to know more about it, you're just going to have to stick tuned and let's get right into it, okay? So I already have my stocking cap on because why not start this video off that way? So I'm just going to unbag it. So it did come in this plastic bag. Okay, they out here double bagging things in this plastic bag. So I just go ahead and take it out. And then it also comes in another hair bag, which is purple, which I was excited about because purple is my favorite color, but that has nothing to do with the wig. But anyway, this wig right here is 100% human hair, and it does have 150% density in there. They did give eyelashes. I'm not sure, is this a thing that all hair companies do? They just give you eyelashes? I'm not sure, but every time I get a wig, baby, they send me eyelashes. So they also gave me a wig cap, so basically everything you need to get this together. And they did give me like this tropical headband that you can place on your wig if you liked it. But I did order some headbands anyway from Amazon because I wanted different colors. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and slick down my edges, y'all, because that's gonna be what's showing anyway. But I'm using this Easy Edges Edge Control beeswax. Y'all, I love this. You can pick it up straight from the hair store, but I am a 4C girl. I can literally use this edge control and then spray some of that wig spray. It ain't wig spray, but the stuff is in a yellow can. If I can remember, y'all, I'll put it down below, baby. And them two combined together keeps that 4C edges laid down, okay? Laid down. Okay, now that I have my edges laid down and set, I'm gonna go ahead and start unbagging this wig. Yes, another bag. But yeah, I don't know if I told you guys, but this is a human hair headband wig, deep wave, 18 inches, curly wig, human hair. Okay, it has 150% density in there. Now it did smell a little bit like perm, like that's why I smelled it, but it does have clips at the top of the head, also at the bottom, and it also has like this Velcro strap because I don't always use preferably combs because they sometimes hurt my head. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and flop this on my hair right quick, you guys, and I'm just gonna use the Velcro on there just to Velcro it and make it tighter because like I said, your girl cannot do the clips, okay? The clips be really hurting my head for some reason. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and install this real quick. Okay, now that I have my edges laid down, this is what it looks like. So it already comes with like the little black headband at the front that's connected to the hair. So this is what it will look like if you didn't add like an extra headband or anything on there. So I'm just going to just adjust it a little bit to where it fits right where I want it to be. So you see here, I was trying to do the combs and it was just not working for me at all. So I just decided to uncomb it. And then this is what it will look like if you didn't do anything else to it, baby. You can just flop it on and go, baby, and go. And look at that. It is super cute. Like, even with nothing on there, no extra headbands, just flopped on and ready to go, okay? Didn't even style it, but knowing me, I had to add a little something on there just because I like the black, but then I was like, nah, let me add something else on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my other headband and I'm just gonna apply like this leopard print one. I got this leopard print one, like I said, from Amazon. It came in an entire pack, y'all. So different colors, just because I was gonna be wearing brown and I was like, yeah, this leopard print is gonna go so cute with this with my outfit. So yeah. Okay, girl, so this is what it looks like. I'm loving it. Okay, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. It was only $49.99 because it was on sale, and I think it still is on sale, so you need to go get it, girl. Go grab it. It is the perfect easy wig that you can just, for beginners, should I say, easy wig for beginners. You can just flop it on, go, or fix your little headband, baby, and you are out the door, okay? Out the door. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up, and until next time, I'll see you later. And girl, go ahead and order that doggone wig because baby, you going to slay.